In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a quick note in Notion using the slash command. By the end, you'll know the fastest way to open Notion, get to your workspace, and drop a clean, organized note in just a few keystrokes. This is perfect if you want a simple, repeatable workflow you can use every day. First, open Notion in your browser or desktop app. As soon as your workspace loads, you're in the right place. Think of Notion as a collection of pages that hold your ideas, projects, and notes. You don't need anything fancy here, just a space where you capture thoughts without friction. If you're already looking at your main workspace or a specific area where you keep notes, you're ready to move on. Next, head to the page where you want your note to live. This could be a dedicated notes page, a project page, or any section where you keep quick thoughts. Once you're on that page, press the / key on your keyboard. This opens Notion's command menu, which is like a quick launcher for blocks and templates. Start typing the word note. You'll see different options pop up that are designed for taking notes. Choose the one that matches how you like to work. If you prefer structure, select a note option that gives you a predefined layout. If you want total flexibility, pick a blank page and keep it simple. Either way, the goal is speed. Type note, select, and you're writing. A quick tip as you begin, the slash menu is your best friend for staying in flow. It lets you add text, lists, and other elements without taking your hands off the keyboard. If you picked a blank page, you'll get a clean canvas where you can immediately type your thoughts. If you chose a note layout, you'll see a tidy structure that helps you stay organized from the start. Both approaches are great. Choose the one that minimizes friction for you. And that's it, you're done. You've opened Notion, navigated to your page, used the slash command to find note, and started capturing information right away. Keep this workflow in mind whenever you need to take notes quickly. The more you use the slash command, the more natural it will feel, and the faster you'll be at turning ideas into clear, actionable notes. Thanks for watching, and happy note-taking in Notion.